Hello all and welcome to TVM Academy. Uh, First of all, I hope that your CAT went well. My congratulations to all of you who worked hard for 1 year, 6 months, 7 months, whatever your preparation time was, and you completed this journey. So the achievement of having completed this journey itself, because yes, CAT prep is a rigorous journey. The very fact that you were able to reach the last milestone, you wrote CAT, you did not give up, and you worked hard. And I'm sure as much as you could, most of you did your best. I think that is worth celebrating, regardless of how it went, because that we will only know when response sheets are out and final percentile scores are out. Now, there's also a possibility that many of you have been feeling low after the CAT. But as I always say, please do not lose sight of the bigger goal here. Ultimately, you are preparing for these exams to get into a good B school, and all you need is one seat in one good B school. Be it through CAT, be it through XAT, NMAT, SNAP, etc. Just one seat in one, good B school, and that is the sole purpose of filling up, all the forms. If we were confident that our CAT would go as per plans or the best, then we would not fill other forms. Therefore, keep the past behind you and start preparing for the other exams, SNAP, NMAT, and XAT being the biggest. Now, in this video, I'm going to explain the XAT course, uh, which was made live. Enrollments are now open on our portal for XAT 2025 crash course. It's a live plus, it's a hybrid course with 15 or more live classes and more than 100 detailed video lessons as well, trying to optimize the 1 month that we have. I'm going to talk about this course with you before you, uh, uh, you know, choose to buy the course. I would recommend that you watch this video till the end. Um, the course begins on the 30th of November, which is Saturday. And some of you have already bought the course, some old students, some existing students. And I thank you all for instating that trust in us. Without this course explainer also coming out, you went ahead and enrolled in the course. For others who might have been waiting, because I have received a lot of requests. Um, so for those of you who have been waiting for this course explainer, here it is. Okay, so this course is going to be a practice and discussion centric intensive course, rigorous course for 1 month. Let's say 5 weeks, more than a month actually. Please note the words practice and discussion centric intensive rigorous preparation plan. It will be a sweet blend of live sessions, practice tests, and video concepts, video lessons. Everything, we are trying to optimize the time that we have. Therefore, it will be a sweet blend of all of them. The primary focus of the live sessions is going to be the decision-making section, because that happens to be that happens to be something which you have not prepared uh, up to this point in time. All other sections, VALR, etc., VLR, QA, DI, you have already prepared for in CAT, and therefore we will only practice and brush these concepts in this XAT course. The primary focus is going to be decision making. Okay. So these are the details. Fundamentals of decision making will be discussed. Fundamentals of logical reasoning. Fundamentals of reading comprehension. So all the basic concepts of all three sections will be discussed. And the biggest core of this course, the I think the forte and the kernel of this course is daily sectional tests, which will be followed by intensive and hopefully interesting live discussions with you. The live classes after these sectional tests are going to focus on your reasoning rather than my reasoning. Therefore, They will be exhaustive. They will be interactive, and I will try to understand why you marked a particular answer, especially when it comes to decision making section, or in fact a VLR question also. What was your reasoning behind taking a particular course of action, and what was wrong or right in that. So I will also give you certain decision making frameworks that I will ask you to apply while making these choices. So through all these interactions, we intend to uh, understand, through discussions, what the right course of action, or the best course of action should be, and how to arrive at that best course of action. Okay, and then there will be some full-length mock tests, that specific mock tests as well. Now, please note that the first part of the first pointer, that is fundamentals of decision making, will be discussed live. The sectional tests and their discussions basically of the sectional test will also be conducted live. These two parts, LR and VA, reading comprehension and verbal ability, these two parts, because it is assumed that most of you have already, done these parts for your CAT, these will be taken care of through video lessons. There are detailed video concepts for RC, VA, LR, more than 100, good quality, much more than 100 actually, good quality detailed concepts for those of you who were not part of our CAT course, for example. Those of you who were, they can revise these concepts from video lessons. So these are, so the first and fourth will be conducted live, second and third will be through video. Again, in numbers, for those of you interested in understanding the numbers, though I honestly believe numbers do not matter much, because you have 1 month, and whatever the optimum plan for this month could be, we have already, basically we are engaging you for all 30-40 days that are there. Okay, and we are trying to, numbers do not matter. Even if I say 5,000 practice questions, the question, ultimately the question arises, will you be able to solve 5,000 questions? Making questions and putting it there on the portal does not matter. So this is what we have been doing for the past 2-3 years, and brilliantly well. Results have been phenomenal. Therefore, in numbers, we will be able to practice more than 1,000 questions in this month or so, which is more than enough across all the sections, of course. You will be attending more than more than 15 live classes. The class timing schedule will be discussed in later slides. There will be more than 100 video lessons, again, detailing every concept in detail. All XAT past year question papers will be discussed live. Okay. There will be more than 12 sectional tests across 3 sections, DM, VLR, and QA, DI. And there will be more than 3 full-length mock tests. The plan is to give you 5, but we are only committing the minimum number here. So 3 full-length XAT mock tests will be there. Recordings of all the sessions for revision will be made available. 24/7 doubt resolution through separate Telegram group will also be there. And we, of course, personalized guidance. I'm always there for your queries, doubts, etc. Okay. So module wise, what is the course plan? All these 4 modules will be run simultaneously, parallelly. Fundamental theories of decision making, in which we will discuss ethical frameworks, problem solving basics, and business strategy basics. So all these 3 conceptual frameworks will be discussed. Then fundamentals of logical reasoning, inferences and conclusions, how to arrive, because that is very heavy on, the VLR section is very heavy on inferences and conclusion type of questions. Then some syllogism, though we have not seen in recent years, you never know. Conditional logic, very important for critical reasoning, critical thinking, etc. Logical fallacies in an argument, in a critical reasoning question, what are the common errors, and identifying assumptions. Again, a very common question type on is that. Or then fundamentals of verbal ability, RC poem type of questions, RC basics, text completion, fill in the blank type of questions, sentence completion, grammar, parajumbles. All of these concepts are part of the course. And then there are practice tests and discussions. Please note, no separate sessions. Concept-based sessions for QA and DI will be there. We will cover QA DI section through tests and discussions only. And so practice tests and discussions, we will have QA DI sectional tests. We have DM sectionals, all three sectional tests. And then we'll have full length mocks also. And we have past year XAT papers also. So there's a lot of discussion and practice and test writing that is going to happen all through this month. Please note modules 1, which is decision making, and module 4, which is test and discussions, will be conducted live. Modules 2 and 3, as mentioned earlier, will be conducted in a hybrid mode, like some live sessions, some video sessions, video lessons will be there. Class timings, classes will be conducted 4 times a week. TTSS, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday, 9 p.m. Recordings will be uploaded in 24 to 48 hours of the live session, so you can keep pace with the course. Though it is recommended that you actually attend live, because discussions, your point of view on a particular question is important, and that makes for effective learning. Total fees for the course 6,999. Early enrollment price 3,999. So flat discount of fee waiver of 3,000 is there, 43% off till 29th of November, one day before the course starts. As mentioned, the course starts on 30th November, Saturday. Okay. Enrollment link will be posted in the description box of this video, also as a comment, so you can visit. Telegram link for further inquiries will also be posted in the description box. Please check the description box of this video. Okay, that is it. Hope to see you in the classes. Let's ace XAT 2025. All the best, guys.